grass, we're on the run, chasing dreams in morning sun. Life's a game for everyone. Eyes so bright, your heart so pure. In your world I'm so secure. Every bark and every purr, sounds of joy without a cure. Fairy friends at dawn we play, in the park we spend our day. Sing a tune to skies of gray, splash in puddles made of clay. Paws and whiskers twitch, in your world we're rich, no hitch. Rolling in the leaves, no glitch. Life's a joy, a perfect pitch. Under stars we rest our heads, curl up tight in cozy beds. In your eyes the love it spreads, chasing dreams, the fear it sheds. In the park we spend our day. Sing a tune to skies of gray, splash in puddles made of clay.